Hi YouTube, what's up? It's your girl Shantel, and this is my first ever YouTube video. So I'm really just here to give you guys some tips on how to grow your edges back, because it only took me a month to grow my edges back. A month, guys. So if you guys follow these tips, if your hairline has departed as well, don't worry about it. I've got some tips for you, and hopefully you're going to get back on track. So let's just get right into the video. My first tip, and I would say this is actually a really important step, biotin. Now, if you don't know what biotin is, it's basically just a little pill that you can take. I think you can even get it in oil form, but I take the pill form. And it's basically a supplement that helps to promote hair growth. What I would do is I would take this, as soon as I really just saw that my edges were gone, I was panicking. But like, I already knew about biotin anyway because I was just using it to grow my hair. But I thought, you know what, let me just try this for my edges as well. So basically it's a pill that you take every single day. You have to be religious with it, basically. You have to be consistent. And the one that I take is basically just the 10,000 milligrams.
My bad, it's actually 10,000 micrograms, not milligrams.
One, which I think is the highest amount that you can take. Or I'm not sure if it's the highest amount that you can take, but that's the amount that I would recommend, just because I don't know if it's safe to take it any higher than that. So yeah, I would take biotin, 10,000 milligrams on. If you're not sure about that, maybe you can start off on 5,000 milligrams, or I think they also do 2,000. You will definitely see change within a month if you're following all the steps. So yeah, the first step is biotin. Now, the second step to growing back your edges is to make sure that you are not ever
I get it.
wearing your wig, if you wear wigs, without a wig cap. That is just a no-no, because you need that barrier, you need that protection. And also, when you don't wear a wig cap underneath your wig, like, it just allows the band on your wig to really start rubbing away at your edges, like sandpaper basically, like eroding them. And that's something that we don't want. So if you're not trying to be looking like one granddad, I suggest you wear your wig cap. Tip number 3, this is for all of you that like to get your box braids, for all of you that like to get your teeny tiny cornrows. Like, those hairstyles are cute, don't get me wrong, but please, for the love of God, ask auntie not to pull your hair too tight. So just make sure that when you go and get your hair done, whoever's doing it, just make sure that they don't pull your hair tight. And just tell auntie, like, take it easy a little bit on your hairline. And another point that I want to make in that situation is let your hair breathe. When you take your hair out, at least give it like a week to breathe, because if you're constantly getting your hair done, it's just going to be peak still.
It's a bit of a sticky one still.
So just make sure that you're giving your hair time to breathe, because your hairline needs to breathe as well. So yeah, that's tip number 3. Make sure that you're not getting tight hairstyles, and let your hair breathe. So tip number 4 is about protecting your hair. So always wear a hair bonnet to bed, like always. Like, I really don't know what excuse you can really say. So make sure that you wear some type of protective bonnet to bed, because that's really going to ensure that your hairline stays protected. It's not rubbing away against anything, because cotton isn't good for your hair, especially for 4C hair. Well, not even 4C hair, for afro hair in general, cotton is not good. It absorbs moisture. We want moisture on our hair. So yeah, protect your hair, guys. So the 4th tip,
Sorry guys, I meant the 5th tip. Apparently I can't count.
is patience. Patience is key, because you're not going to see results in a day. You will see results in a month if you're consistent, but you have to be patient. Just do all the tips. Don't even really try and track it. Like, maybe you can take pictures weekly to see the progress, because that will help you to see, okay, like, my hairline's growing back small. So patience. The 5th tip,
Like I said, my dumbass can't count, so I meant the 6th tip.
and this is really going to be my final tip for today. This is going to be my hair routine, and I'm just going to tell you guys what I put on my edges every night to really make sure that they don't break. Because with afro hair, if it is dry, it is most likely going to break. And that goes for your edges as well. When they are dry, they are more likely to basically snap off. So make sure that you follow this step. I'd like to say daily, like I said, but if you... Oh hell no! Sorry, my flatmate was really just playing music. Anyway, I've even lost my train of thought, so thanks a lot. Thanks to you, I've lost my train of thought.
Thanks a lot. Thanks to you, my charger's not charging on my iPad.
So, yeah, my hair routine. So, this is just basically, I use the lock method, which is liquid, oil, and cream. That's basically like, the liquid can be water, or like some type of leave-in conditioning spray. The oil can be any oil that you really want to use, but I like to use castor oil because it promotes hair growth and because it's thicker. And then a cream, and that can just be a conditioning cream or any type of leave-in conditioning cream basically. So the first step that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your spray bottle. Invest in a spray bottle, guys, because these are really like £1-2. They're going to be £1 or £2. Hey, the English is a battle. The English, but
to the punch, back, yeah, give and take.
Yeah, a spray bottle is probably only going to cost you like what, £1-2. You can use it for years. So what I do with this is I just take it, I spray it all around my hairline in a semicircle. Then I will take the oil, and I actually alternate between castor oil and this mango and lime island oil, which has all different types of oils in it, and it smells nice as well. Or sometimes I'll use a mixture of them both. This, I don't really know, I think you can just get it from some hair shop or something, but it was given to me, so you can, yeah, just find it somewhere in it. I'm joking. I'll leave the link in the description. I got you. So yeah, castor oil, I'll also leave the link in the description for this because this is really good. It was like £5 or £6, and it's a litre, and it's been lasting me such a long time. So after you've done that, you're going to want to put on your conditioning cream. I use the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I'm fighting the English today. The shit. I use the Shea Butter Conditioning Cream, and that basically just seals the deal. It locks in the moisture. So yeah, conditioning cream will seal the deal. This is an optional step because it's really just something that I've made up myself. Well, I didn't make it up, but I feel like it just really like helps. So after I've done all of that, I will use like a grease. So I use the hair food formula Palmer's. You can also use like Blue Magic or something like that. Everything is gonna come in due time. Consistency. Drink water. How could I forget? Y'all nasty. Y'all need to drink water. Yeah, you need to make sure that you're drinking water. There's so many benefits of water, including helping your hair grow. So yeah, I mean, I'm such a hypocrite. Ask me if I've really drank any water today. But yeah, guys, those are my top 5 tips.
Top 6.
To growing your edges back. If you follow those steps, I can assure you that your edges will grow back. And if they don't, I'm so sorry. I wish I really could have helped you, but you might have to hold your edges a funeral. I can't lie, because it doesn't look like they're coming back. I'm joking, guys. Like, I feel like at that point, if it's been 2 months and they're not growing back, you should probably go and see a doctor or something. Actually, make sure that you're actually following the steps first, because it might be that you're not taking the biotin properly, like you're not taking it every day, or you haven't stopped doing the things that I said to stop doing, such as getting tight hairstyles and letting your hair breathe. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please press the like button, and if you like me, please press the like button. Just press the like button, just press it. Yeah, and please subscribe, guys, as well if you want to see more of my content, and I will be bringing you guys some juice, you know, some flavor. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.